Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Get Email's free trial. Get Emails is truly a breakthrough technology. It takes around 60 seconds to get the code on your website, and within 24 hours, you will be receiving hundreds of new contact records every day. The best part is you can see what landing page the visitors hit and target accordingly. It's truly incredible. Why Get Emails? Get Emails helps to get the email addresses of your visitors, which you can use for your email marketing. Besides, it offers hyper-target reports that can help you to manage your digital marketing advertisements. With Get Emails, you can well arrange your email marketing automatically. Sign up free for Get Emails and lower your cost per lead by 90%. Get a Get Emails account for free today, and you'll start thinking about how you ever survived without them. Connect your anonymous website visitors to real people. Safely retarget them with email through real-time, one-to-one, fully compliant interactions, all the tools you need in one platform without having to duct tape multiple platforms together. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Get Emails and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.